1, 2,
She's a mother.
Oh,
She knows how to do those things.
And if the beat live, you know Lil Ju made it. Big ass chain around my neck so these niggas know I'm rich. And I don't need shit but the dick. Big ass stack in this purse so these niggas know I'm working. I'm holding this Glock in my Birkin. Niggas got a whole that L tryna come for my pen. I'm really finna make another M. Now tell me how the fuck I'm in the wrong if I don't want the nigga and he still ain't fucking with the bitch. I be working, I make moves in silence. Hoes might never like me and I'm fine with it. Nasty, I'm a real nigga fantasy. I'll drop dead for a broke nigga handle me. Do say, this rich bitch energy. Y'all little hoes still drinking that Hennessy. Messy, and I'm sick of y'all trying it. Bitch got receipts, but ain't never finna buy shit. Sorry, hoes hate me cause I'm the it girl. I ain't never asked to be the shit girl. Don't call me sis cause I'm not your sister. You really need to come and get your mister. Seen all my ops linked up in a picture. Everybody look busted, injured. Stalking my page, bitch probably want a scissor. All in the mouth like I kissed her. I be working, I make moves in silence. Hoes might never like me and I'm fine with it. Nasty, I'm a real nigga fantasy. I'll drop dead for a broke nigga handle me. Do say, this rich bitch energy. Y'all little hoes still drinking that Hennessy. Messy, and I'm sick of y'all trying it. Bitch got receipts, but ain't never finna buy shit. Bad bitches running my pack, gang shit. Cartier friends spot a bitch on some lame shit. Broke niggas all in my way, clear 'em. Chains ain't making no noise, ain't big enough. Wildin', on the boat on the island. When I throw it back, better make 'em throw the tile. I got a nigga, but I don't need one. He fuck up, I'ma have my fun. Teacup, I can fit a bitch in my purse. Which one of y'all wanna go first? Spicy, ain't a bitch out built like me. I run shit, probably how I gotta deal with Nike. Beefin', you just mad we ain't speaking. And I'm the one that put the roof where you sleepin'. Phony, I don't need no new homies. I'm the reason all of my ops ain't homeless.